Hi everyone, welcome back to Emily Explains Health. Today I'm going to reveal something that will boost your leg strength instantly, and doctors are genuinely shocked. If you've ever felt weak in your legs, struggled to climb stairs, or even just standing from a chair feels exhausting, this video is for you. You don't need a gym, expensive supplements, or hours of exercise. All you need is this secret natural recipe that boosts leg strength faster than almost anything else. Leg strength is critical. Strong legs improve balance, protect your joints, and keep you independent. Weak legs make daily movement difficult. They increase the risk of falls. Many seniors notice gradual loss of strength without realizing it. Tasks like walking, climbing stairs, or standing become tiring. Muscle mass naturally declines with age. This is normal, but there are natural ways to boost your leg strength and regain power and confidence. Nutrition plays a huge role in building leg strength. Eating the right foods fuels muscles, supports joints, and improves circulation. This combination allows your legs to work with more strength, more power, and more endurance. Doctors are shocked because most people think strength comes only from exercise, but the right diet can make a massive difference. The secret involves a combination of ingredients that together create a muscle-boosting, leg strength-enhancing effect. The main ingredient is spinach. Spinach alone is effective, but when combined with garlic, olive oil, walnuts, and lemon juice, it becomes a leg strength-boosting powerhouse. Spinach provides nitrates that enhance muscle energy. Garlic improves circulation. Walnuts reduce inflammation. Olive oil aids nutrient absorption. Lemon juice adds vitamin C and flavor. Together, they boost leg strength, endurance, and joint health. To prepare, lightly sauté spinach and garlic in olive oil until just softened. Add crushed walnuts and a drizzle of lemon juice. Eat it once daily. People who follow this consistently report stronger legs, better balance, and easier movement. Doctors are shocked because results appear in weeks. Spinach's nitrates convert into nitric oxide in the body, helping muscles contract more efficiently. Garlic improves blood flow to reduce fatigue. Walnuts' omega-3s calm joint inflammation. Olive oil maximizes nutrient absorption. Lemon juice strengthens connective tissue. The combination boosts leg strength naturally. Even light exercises like squats, calf raises, or walking amplify the benefits. Consistent intake improves muscle energy, circulation, and joint flexibility. Even without exercise, legs become noticeably stronger. Now, if you're enjoying this, comment, and subscribe to Emily Explains Health for more tips like this. Frozen spinach works as well as fresh. Add to smoothies, soups, or stir-fries. The recipe improves mobility, reduces joint stiffness, and boosts leg confidence. Over weeks, consistent use strengthens muscles, stabilizes joints, and increases endurance. Small daily habits create big results. Doctors are shocked at the simplicity and effectiveness. Hydration and balanced nutrition enhance the boost. Adjust the recipe with tomatoes, seeds, or spices if desired. Core ingredients must remain to maximize the leg strength boosting effect. Results appear gradually but consistently. Users notice stronger legs, improved balance, and more confidence in movement. The recipe supports muscles, joints, and circulation simultaneously. Spinach and garlic energize legs. Walnuts and olive oil reduce inflammation and enhance absorption. Lemon juice improves connective tissue and adds freshness. This combination naturally boosts leg strength faster than most expect. Daily intake strengthens legs, improves endurance, and reduces fatigue. Simple movements like walking, standing, or climbing stairs become easier. Confidence increases as leg strength improves. Doctors are shocked by how natural, simple, and effective this method is. Spinach is rich in magnesium, which aids in muscle contraction and relaxation. This means when you eat spinach regularly, your muscles work more efficiently and recover faster. Garlic contains compounds that improve circulation, which ensures oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles for maximum performance. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation in the joints, making movement smoother and reducing discomfort during activity. Olive oil ensures all these nutrients are properly absorbed, giving your muscles the fuel they need to grow stronger. Lemon juice adds vitamin C, which supports connective tissue, helping your knees, hips, and ankles stay strong and flexible. Even small amounts of this recipe eaten daily produce noticeable results. People report walking longer distances without fatigue, climbing stairs without strain, and standing from chairs effortlessly. Doctors are shocked because the improvements are real and measurable, and it requires no complicated exercise routines. The secret lies in the combination and consistency of ingredients. You can customize the recipe by adding cherry tomatoes, sunflower seeds, or mild spices. The goal is to maintain the muscle-strengthening synergy of the original ingredients. Over time, these minor additions won't reduce effectiveness, but can improve taste, making it easier to follow daily. Consistency is key. Eating it daily for several weeks creates cumulative improvements in leg strength, endurance, and balance. Light exercises paired with this recipe amplify the results. Squats, lunges, and calf raises performed 2 to 3 times per week, combined with daily consumption, significantly increase leg power. Even gentle walks will feel easier and more productive because your muscles are fueled and supported at a cellular level. Doctors are shocked because the natural approach works as effectively as more expensive methods and is safer for joints. Your daily routine can include adding this recipe to breakfast, lunch, or dinner. For example, add lightly sautéed spinach and garlic on toast with crushed walnuts and a squeeze of lemon, or mix it into a hearty salad. Even blending into smoothies with other nutrient-rich vegetables works. The key is to keep it consistent. Spinach contains nitrates that the body converts to nitric oxide, which helps muscles contract efficiently. Garlic enhances blood flow to legs, reducing fatigue and promoting faster recovery. Walnuts, omega-3s fight inflammation that can slow movement or cause discomfort. Olive oil ensures full nutrient absorption. Lemon juice strengthens connective tissues, reducing strain on joints. This recipe naturally supports every aspect of leg function. Even minor adjustments in your lifestyle enhance results. Staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and light stretching support the leg strength boosting effects of the recipe. Doctors are shocked at the synergy between this natural approach and small lifestyle habits. People report standing longer, walking further, and climbing stairs effortlessly after weeks of consistent use. Now, if you're halfway through this video and excited about improving your leg strength, take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Emily Explains Health so you don't miss more secret tips like this. Share your results or experiences below. Your story can help someone else regain leg power. Spinach, garlic, walnuts, olive oil, and lemon juice together create a complete natural boost. These ingredients work at multiple levels, fueling muscles, protecting joints, improving circulation, and supporting connective tissues. Doctors are shocked because something so simple produces measurable improvement in leg strength and endurance. Daily use enhances muscle contraction, increases energy, reduces fatigue, and improves balance. Standing, walking, climbing, and bending all become easier. Confidence returns. Legs feel stronger, more powerful, and resilient. Small daily habits produce compound benefits. Adding this recipe once per day improves leg performance over time. Eating it consistently strengthens muscles, stabilizes joints, and increases endurance. Doctors are shocked at how quickly people notice results. Even without adding exercise, legs feel stronger. Muscle fibers respond to the nutrient-rich combination, circulation improves, and joints become more flexible. Over weeks, these improvements accumulate. You may notice stairs become easier, walks become longer, and standing for longer periods feels effortless. Light activity like walking or stretching can amplify the results. Combining movement with daily intake makes legs stronger faster. Muscle tone improves, endurance increases, and joint stiffness decreases. Doctors are shocked at how natural, safe, and effective this method is. Daily consumption restores leg power. Spinach energizes muscles. Garlic improves blood flow. Walnuts reduce joint inflammation. Olive oil ensures nutrient absorption. Lemon juice strengthens connective tissue. The combination boosts leg strength naturally. Start today. Add this recipe to your daily meals. Eat it consistently. Observe your legs becoming stronger, more stable, and energized. Muscles feel powerful. Joints feel supported. Confidence improves. Endurance increases. Energy returns. Fatigue decreases. If you found this helpful, like, comment your results, and subscribe to Emily Explains Health for more tips that truly make a difference. Doctors are shocked. People move with power and confidence, all from a simple, natural recipe. Legs regain strength, balance, and stability. The synergy of spinach, garlic, walnuts, olive oil, and lemon juice cannot be replicated by any supplement or expensive routine. This is your path to stronger legs, more stability, and renewed mobility. The secret recipe works naturally, safely, and effectively. Spinach, garlic, walnuts, olive oil, and lemon juice boost leg strength, endurance, and overall leg health. Daily use produces powerful, visible results. Eat daily. Stay consistent. Pair with hydration and light activity. Observe stronger legs, increased confidence, better balance, and more energy. Doctors are shocked. Users are amazed. Movement feels effortless. Muscles feel powerful. Joints are supported. Endurance increases. Stability returns. Confidence returns. Energy returns. Start today. Add the recipe to meals. Eat daily. Observe legs getting stronger. If you enjoyed this, like, comment, and subscribe to Emily Explains Health for more secret tips that truly transform your strength and mobility.